Hi, welcome to Daily Random. In this video, we will see how to validate a Django model field by using regex validator and custom function validator. So, as you can see, I have few models over here. This is a user profile model where we need to enter a mobile number. So, what exactly I want to do is I limited this one for to maximum 10 characters, but still I want to make sure only the numerical values are entered over here. See, like if I am going with 1 2 3 and I'm going with save, it will be taken. I want to make sure like it is a numerical value and the maximum value is like 10, and it should not accept less than 10 characters also. So for this one, what we will do is we will use regex validator. Let me go here and you can see, so from django.core.validators we can import regex validator. So this is a inbuilt validators which we have, and this is my user profile model. So for this one, what we'll do is we'll create a new variable. And I'm calling the function regex validator, and within that one I'm writing a regex code. Okay, so after that I'm just leaving a message, a string of message stating like if this is not validated, what it should display. So I'm putting this one as a separate what to say variable, and after that when I'm using this one phone number, okay, it's a character field which I'm using, so generally it should be able to accept some abc or bcd or some other thing. So let us find it out that too. So if I'm going here and phone abc, and if I'm trying to see, yeah, it's saying, so 1 2 3 abc is also the thing I was able to save right now, but which I don't want to happen. So what we can do is I simply have to put that one here. So within the character field after the max length, so what I can do is I can put validator. So validators, always remember the validators value should be in a list format. Okay, so this one is done, control s, and once it's done, let me go to here and use the profile model. So it will give me an error. So like this is one of the way which we can validate the input value. So here it is saying like please correct the error below, and the message here displayed is the same message which we provided over here, a string message. It will try to validate whether the input is exactly in this format or not, and if it is not, it will throw back this error. So this is one of the way which we can validate the input. There is another field. uh, so let me put this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. See, still it is not taking, so let me add 0. So we're done. So next I'm going for my rating model, so something like this. So yes, done. So it accepted a value of like some 256 value, but I don't want. In my rating, I said only want the value to be like 1, and the minimum value to be 1 and maximum value to be 10. So for this one, we'll be using a separate function, a Python function as a validator. For that one, first we have to create a function over here. So I made my function name as a validate rating, and I'm just giving the input as a value, and I'm just performing an if statement over here. So if everything is okay, I'm just asking it to return a value. If it is not okay, I'm asking it to raise a validation error. So validation error is a function which we have to import, like from django.core.exceptions import validation error. So this is a function which we are using over here. So after creating the function, a custom function for this one, we can write any code in between. Instead of if statement, I can put multiple things, and at the end or any other place in between I can raise the validation error, or I can use multiple case scenarios. So after that, let me go for rating model over here. So here is the same case. So validators equal to we have to write the function name here, validate underscore rating, which is the same as this one, validate underscore rating. So once this part is done, and we have to make sure again, we have to make sure like the value for validator should be in a list format. So let me save this one, and let me go for rating model, save. So rating should be between so 1 to 10. Let me give the value of 0. It will not take. So if I'm giving something like in between some 3 or something, done. So these are the two ways which we can validate our input into Django fields. So if there is some kind of input, you want to make sure to validate that one before putting that one in your database. So you can go with these two options. There are multiple other ways, but I think these two are a bit easier to implement. If you like this video and if you want more amazing such kind of videos, please like to this video and subscribe to my channel Random Daily. Thank you.